Hello, Bob Hughes here with JD Squared. In this video, we're going to talk about the procedure to execute if our tech people tell you that you need to manually update the MAD GUI. And that might be because you started the program and something's happened, something's got corrupt, it doesn't start. All right, anyway, what's going to happen is we've got the directions on our screen right here. It's available in a PDF format so that you can follow it along. And the beginning up here is just saying what I just said. What we need to do in Windows is we need to open the PowerShell. Now, if you look in the lower left corner of your Windows, if you click on the actual Windows icon down here, your menu will pop up, and right next to it, right here, is the search bar. And what you're going to do is in it, you're going to type in PowerShell. So it'll look just like this right here. There's your Windows button. When you pop it up, your menu pops up. Type in PowerShell and hit enter. Okay. At that time, the PowerShell will start up and it's going to look like this right here. Now, what you're going to do is referring to your original document, we're going to scroll down and we need to use your mouse and we need to highlight this, right click on it, select copy. Now, go back to your PowerShell window and simply right click and it will automatically paste it in and then hit enter. Okay, now what that's done, that's moved us as a directory of where we need to install or run the update from. Okay, now what we need to do is enter the command that will do the update. Go to your PDF and find this line right here, run the updater. Once again, highlight with your left mouse button that entire line, right click, select copy, go back to PowerShell, right click and hit enter. Okay, it is actually updating right now. It's not going to show you any progress at all because this is really done behind the scenes. So the question comes, how do we know when we're done? If we refer back to the apps and features, and refer back to the updater, we scroll down right here and you have apps and features in Windows that we can go to and actually see the app. So once again, go back to your that little quick search deal in the lower left. Remember this area right here, and you're going to type in the words apps, and at the very top it'll show you best match. You're going to select apps and features, and this is going to pop up right here. Now in the search bar, just type in MAD, and if you click on the MAD here, it will tell you the version of the software. In this case, we were updating a version 3.1.1, which the tech team will tell you what the version you're going to is. Now that we can see it right here, we know we have installed MAD. At this time, we can now go to MAD, double click on it. It's not going to fit into this window, but let's just see what's going on here. And see, this is missing required, select unit now. And voila, we get to pick our unit, bring it up. Let's give it one more second. And then we're off to go. Just like the other video said, we could pick our machine and continue on. Anyway, hope this helps a little bit. Happy cutting and take care.